Okay. Let's meet our contestants for our championship round. To my right, UC Davis. Woo!
I'm Ziad Khouri. I work on the systematics of scoliid wasps under the direction of Lynn Kimsey.
Hi, I'm Brendan Boudinot. I like ants.
Ants?
Hello again. I remain Ralph Washington Jr.
Out.
Hi everyone, I'm Jessica Gillan and I study and like flies.
Excellent. Let's hear it for UC Davis. Flo Rida.
Hi, I'm David. I study emerald moths.
Hi, I'm Corey. I study stink bugs and peaches in Dr. Hodges' lab.
Chris, I work with mosquitoes. I'm Lucas Carnahan, and I work with termites, and we are not associated with Flo Rida.
Too bad. You'd be rich, rich, rich. No. You say your last name,
Thank you.
Penka? All right. Let's give it up for University of Florida. I believe we're ready. We're judges? We are ready. Ultra ready. The judges say they are ultra ready. Toss up question number 1. What is the smallest insect that is not a parasite or parasitoid? Boudinot.
Beetles in the family Tiliidae.
Oops. I don't know who that was. That is correct. Your bonus question. Some species of mosquitoes lay eggs that can undergo diapause or estivation. Give at least 3 cues that trigger the aquatic eggs to hatch. May I have your response, UC Davis? Washington.
Temperature. Immersion in water. Sorry. Temperature, immersion in water, dissolved solutes in water. And by that I mean ion concentration or various nutrients.
They're having a hard time hearing that. I'm not sure where that feedback's coming from.
I'll project it above the mic.
Move the phone
Hey, are they too close together?
or the watercraft.
That? And then you talk more. Let's try this again.
Temperature, immersion in water, and dissolved solutes or ion concentration in water.
That is correct. They'll take it. Toss up question number 2. Chikungunya is an emergent vector-borne disease in the Americas. Chikungunya is derived from the African language Makonde, which means chikungunya. What means chikungunya in Makonde? Corey.
Bending up.
That is correct. Your bonus question. What are the 3 categories of myrmecophiles? They appear to be just finding out that there are 3 categories of myrmecophiles. Can I have your, Boudinot.
I should know this.
Yeah, you should.
Because he said he loves ants, right?
I do,
He's an ant-man.
but I'm not a myrmecophile. Okay.
Well, you kind of
sorry.
are.
Social parasites, some kind of commensals, and friends.
Sorry, that's incorrect. Audience? Symphiles, cynochetes, cynothrins. Cynothrins are hostile treatment by ants. Cynochetes, ants indifferent to the presence. Symphiles, ants cultivate Inquiline's presence in the nest. All right, moving on to something completely different. Toss-up question number 3. A Gilson's gland would be found in what insect order? Carnahan.
Hemiptera.
That is incorrect. Washington.
Trichoptera.
That is correct. Your bonus question. To date, which juvenile hormone isomers have only been found within Lepidoptera? May I have your response, UC Davis? Washington.
Crap.
No.
Those that I should know from the fact that I took our departmental exam a few months ago, my advisors are going to be very disappointed with me. I just wanted to share my frustration with you all.
I'm sorry, that's incorrect.
No, they're going to be mad. It was correct.
I think I see Larry Godfrey already fuming, so whatever. All right, we got JHO, JH1, and JH2. JH3 is the one found in most insects. Not Lepidoptera. Okay. Toss-up question number 4 is a slide. Certain chrysomelid larvae carry their feces as a defensive shield. In what subfamily would, on the interrupt, Boudinot?
Cassidine.
That is correct. The tortoise beetles.
Cassidine may be Cassidini in the Hispine. There's been a recent name change.
What?
Cassidine may be a... Okay.
No, it had nothing to do with you.
Okay. Sorry.
For once, Boudinot. It had nothing to do with you for once. Just kidding. Oh, what a nasty moderator I've become. All right. What? Well, maybe I'm hangry. Maybe that's right. All right, toss-up question. No, bonus question. You get your bonus. Question number 96. No. This first lepidopteran pheromone identified was bombacol. The first lepidopteran pheromone identified was bombacol. What was the first dipteran sex pheromone to be identified? I'll take the trade name or the actual chemical name, either one. If you know either. Washington.
Muscalure.
That is correct. Z9 tricosine. Now we have toss-up question number 5. What famous recessive gene was the first sex-linked mutation demonstrated in Drosophila by T.H. Morgan? Washington.
White.
Yeah, that's correct. The white mutation, a lack of red pigment in the eye.
What's that?
Your bonus question. Ceciomyidae are known as the gallflies. What is unusual about the species Mayatola destructor, and what is its common name? Washington?
That's the Hessian fly. It's a tremendous pest of wheat. It does not form galls.
That is correct. Toss-up question number 6. What is the difference between telotrophic and polytrophic meroistic ovarials? Washington.
The difference is one has nurse cells, cells that nourish the developing ova as it proceeds down the ovariole, ones that are matched directly with it, and others, there is a line of cells that nourish all of the ova as they proceed down.
The judges said that's true, but tell him which ones is which.
Okay. Of the two responses I gave, respective to the order in which the moderator read them.
That is correct. You sneaky, sneaky Washington Jr. Oh. That was incorrect. Oh, fiddlesticks.
That's okay.
You're right.
So, do you know it now?
That is incorrect.
Well, I don't remember the order in which she read them.
Well, I screwed it up, though. Yeah. All right. Turn it over to Florida. Carnahan.
We think it's the inverse of the order that he suggested.
You got to do better than that.
I mean, at least try. At least try for real.
Helotrophic was his first description.
Which
And
was
polytrophic was his second description.
Say what they are.
oh, no
Yeah,
chatting.
What he said.
So telotrophic? What? No, nothing.
Yeah, that one's where the cells are associated with each ovum, and the second one is where the cells nourish all of the ovum. All of the eggs. Egg cells.
No. Sorry.
Really confusing, man.
Yes. In telotrophic meroistic ovarials, nerve cells remain in the germarium and are connected to the oocyte by a cytoplasmic bridge. In polytrophic meroistic ovarials, nerve cells travel with the oocyte. So close. No cigar. Toss-up question number 7. Members of what lepidopteran family have an obligate pollination mutualistic relationship with yucca plants? Washington.
Virality.
That is incorrect. Plotkin.
I'm just really happy I get to speak at all, first of all. Prodoxity.
That is correct. Those are the yucca moths. And your bonus question. According to Grimaldi and Ingle, what are the 4 suborders of Coleoptera, and list them in their increasing order of species diversity?
She's in order of increasing species diversity.
Most species.
Sunrise Mixophaga, species Narcostomata. But those are all the right names, right? You can't even read this, can you? Okay. All right, we'll just try it.
Plotkin.
All right, so from the fewest species to the most species, Mixophaga, Archostomata, Adephaga, Polyphaga.
I'm sorry, that's incorrect. Archostomata, Mixophaga, Adephaga, Polyphaga.
Oh, just to clarify, you said you didn't specify in the U.S., did you? That's why I got it wrong. I'm not arguing. I'm just for my own clarification.
I didn't specify anywhere.
Okay, then that's right.
All right. So close. Toss-up question number 8. What is the chemical name for a monomer of chitin? Plotkin.
N-acetylglucosamine.
That is correct. Your bonus question. Who demonstrated that Rocky Mountain spotted fever was transmitted by ticks, and in what year within 5 years?
Was that Smith and Kilburn? Late 1800s, possibly. 1909. I'll say that just so Ricketts 1909. Okay.
Plotkin.
We'll say Ricketts 1909.
That is correct. It was
Nice
Ricketts
job,
in
Chris.
06,
That was all you.
1906. Toss-up question number 9. Nicophorus americanus is listed under what legislative act? Boudinot.
The Endangered Species Act.
That is correct.
American Burn.
Your bonus question. Cis 7,8 epoxy 2 methyl octadecane, or disbelure, is the chemical and common name, respectively, of the sex pheromone of what insect pest? Response, please. Washington.
The glassy winged sharpshooter.
That is incorrect. That is the gypsy moth. Amantria dispar.
I should have known.
All right, toss-up question number 10. In what insect order would you find Hemelytra? Washington.
The order Hemiptera.
That is correct. Your bonus question. Name 4 orders of insects that Strepsiptera are known to parasitize. Response, please. Washington.
Orthoptera, Coleoptera, Hymenoptera, Hemiptera.
Sorry, that's incorrect. Thysanura, Blatodia, Mantodia, Hemiptera, Diptera, Hymenoptera. Toss-up question number 11. Where are the gills located in nymphs of a Zygopteran and Anisopteran? On the interrupt, Plotkin.
In Anisoptera, the gills are rectal, and in Zygoptera, the gills are caudal.
That is correct. Your bonus question. Give 2 common names for flies in the family Ceratopagonidae. Plotkin.
So 2 names are punkies and no-see-ums.
That is correct. The 3rd name would be biting midges. Toss-up question number 12 is a slide. When threatened, a coccinellid may eject hemolymph from its joints. What is the term? On the interrupt, Plotkin.
It's called reflexive bleeding, or reflex bleeding.
That is correct. Yeah. Your bonus question. Who wrote this in reference to Linnaeus? With the exception of Shakespeare and Spinoza, I know no one among the no longer living who has influenced me more strongly.
Oh boy, it could be anybody then. Anybody who was alive after Linnaeus was. And it was in English too. But it could have been a translation. Like I think Fabricius.
Plotkin.
We're going to assume that's a translation from a different language and guess Fabricius.
I'm sorry, that's incorrect. The German writer Johann Wolfgang von Goethe. All right, toss-up question number 13. Many walking sticks produce eggs with an unusual shape and appearance. What is this shape, and why are they shaped like that? Carnahan.
They're egg-shaped, and they're shaped like that so that ants will be attracted to, or they have a button on top of them, and the button is attractive to the ants, and they pick them up and take them into their nest so that they can there develop.
The judges want to know what shape you said it was?
It's round, but there's a little button on top of it that the ants are attracted to. No, it's actually just round. It's egg-shaped.
It's
Yeah,
egg-shaped.
it's
The egg is
egg-shaped.
egg-shaped, all right?
It's shaped like the ants' eggs. Or, no, it's shaped like seeds that the ants want to eat.
Just pick one.
That one. That's the one I'm going to go with.
That is correct. Your bonus question. Insecticides are designated by 3 names. In the United States, how does this work?
I don't know what else, so one of you guys buzz it, guys. You gotta buzz it, so one of you two.
Carnahan.
Caution, danger, and poison.
Ooh. Sorry, that's incorrect. I was looking for the common name, chemical name, the trade name. Those are signal words to elucidate things about the particular chemistry. All right. Toss up. Boo. I'm being booed. You be quiet, Rick Reddick.
I didn't like it either.
They didn't like it either. Well, sorry. Toss-up question number 14. Springtails jump from the interaction of what 2 body structures? Washington.
Coliform and the furcula.
That is incorrect. Carnahan.
The furculum and the furculum joint.
That is incorrect. Audience, you should know this. That is right. Furcula, the springing loose from the retinaculum.
I didn't know I had a retinaculum.
Toss-up question number 15. The subimago stage is characteristic of what on the interrupt? Boudinot.
Ephemeroptera.
That is correct.
That's the game.
Your bonus question. A 2006 science article by Glenner et al. On the origin of insects summarized evidence that hexapods, including insects, are nothing more than land-dwelling crustaceans, which is to say the formal group Crustacea is paraphyletic with respect to the hexapoda. What hierarchical name has been used to refer to this clade? Washington?
Pancrustacea.
That is correct. Toss-up question 15. This-
16.
You are correct. No points, sorry. No. Toss-up question number 16. What are the 3 primary conditions that define eusociality? Washington.
Those conditions are cooperative brood care, overlapping generations, cooperative brood care, overlapping generations, and reproductive division of labor.
That is correct. Ladies and gentlemen, Well, I guess you could have a bonus question, but we don't need to do that. We have a winning team, University of California at Davis. With our second place team, the University of Florida. Let's give it up for both teams, all of our competitors, our judges, our student volunteers. Keep clapping for like 5 minutes. No, just kidding. Thank you to everybody. Thank you, audience, for your attendance and your participation.